Learning how to grow celery indoors is a great way to ensure a regular supply of your favorite healthy snack. Celery is packed with health benefits and is a rich source of antioxidants and nutrients. It also helps to reduce inflammation and improves digestion. It's not difficult to grow celery, but you need to start celery from seed indoors, as transplants are hard to find and do not always succeed. You can sow the seeds 10 weeks before your last predicted frost date. This may seem early, but it allows the seeds time to grow into strong seedlings before you transplant them. Celery seeds are tiny and tricky to plant. Gently sprinkle the seed over the potting soil. Cover the seeds with just a little bit of soil. Celery seeds like to be planted shallowly. Water gently. The seeds can take 2 to 3 weeks to germinate at the optimum temperature of 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Celery seeds need consistent light watering during germination and early emergence to keep the growing environment evenly moist. When celery seedlings reach 6 inches tall, about 10 to 12 weeks after starting the seeds, they are ready to transplant out into the garden. I found that growing celery indoors is easier than outside cultivation in the garden because you are better able to provide the constant moisture and heat that the celery craves. This can be difficult to provide if you are growing outside in the garden or in uncontrolled conditions. With a little care you will be able to enjoy a year-round supply of fresh celery. Happy gardening!